go to the Media Library from the administrative dashboard by clicking on Media and then Library. The library will come up in whatever mode you had selected it last time. It's possible to look at it as a list, as you see here, or click on the grid and see a light table with all the slides. In either case, you can add a new image by selecting Files, navigating to that on your computer, and you can choose more than one, but the total has to be less than 64 megabytes. You can see that it's processing this last photo, uploading it. Then we can click on the photo, and it gives us the opportunity to add a title, which is something that you need to do for the search engine optimization, SEO of the site. And because the site is all about costumes, it's important to put in not only the name of the character, but add the word costume. And you can copy that and add that for the alternate text. The alternate text is what you'll see when you hover over an image and a little bit of text shows up. That's what you'll see. So it's very important to do that, and the search engines really like it. So this is going to be a rental costume. And you could also say, well, is a crown a hat? I'll put it in there as well. And it's no longer saying save, so it's saved. You can close that by clicking on the X, and that image has been processed. So now it's available to put somewhere in your site, and we'll go over that in another video. In this case, I also want to show you how to delete images. You can go, this series of images are patterns that use the same color palette as the site. So I don't think this really goes with it, so I'm just going to delete it and come down to the very bottom of this and delete it. It's not being used in the site anywhere. Or you can go back to the list, which is really handy for this kind of operation. Say I want to get rid of these other patterns. It's really simple. You just click, put a check mark by each one, and then or on this view, if you just have one, you could click delete permanently. If you want to do more than one, you can go to bulk actions, choose delete permanently, and all of the ones that are checked will be deleted. And that goes pretty fast. So now those are gone. Okay, and you can see here that the Crusader boy has the media categories in this list that we just added. So that shows you how to add images, how to delete them, how to add the metadata, the name, the alternate text, and the category for each of these. You can also open one up and delete it here. It's also what and you can edit it and then update. And also tell you information about the image, what file type, how many kilobytes, and the size of it. If you make changes, you can update and see the little timer going around until it's completed. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the media library. It's a very useful tool.